Good morning, guys. Welcome to Day to Dream channel. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. For the first time, I'm starting. So now we are going to DAE who are preparing. I will tell you the strategy because I know about. I actually applied and I wrote last time, so that's why we are going to the strategy right now. Okay, so someone shared this is the syllabus. So actually, sorry guys, it's not, this is the syllabus, it's not right syllabus, and this one is syllabus. uh, this is the syllabus. So actually, you here you know about DAE. They are divided into two types: tier 1 objective type, and tier 2 is a descriptive. So we are talking about tier 1. Tier 1 for the objective type, they are given English. They are divided into 5 category wise. And actually, you have someone, they had doubt what is the intelligence reasoning, and about what is the science basics, basic accounting principles. I will clear that. Actually, marks is 200 marks. Marks 200 marks means they are divided category into five categories, means each category 40 marks. It's normal. So English 40, remaining all subjects are in that. In that part B, they having general intelligence reasoning in science basic concepts for the 12th standard level, or B, accounting principle for the 12th standard level. In this B category, they have 40 marks. Like they will given into this category either divided into 20 marks, or either divided into 20 marks for the reasoning and the remaining 20 marks, and they are again divided into 10 marks for the GS, and remaining 10 marks for the basic accounting principles. Like this. Actually, this type of syllabus given this time only. Last time they didn't given like this. They only given like what UDC what they are given. They only given. So don't worry, guys. We don't want to. What I'm saying means, we don't want to take and it's easy. So you will focus on remaining subject, and you will focus on like just lightly little bit showing. It's they only chosen basic. They are given here only basic concepts only, not for the depth only. They are given basic concepts. So okay, this is the descriptive one. And coming to descriptive 2, yeah, sorry guys, who has applied for the UDC. So UDC, they don't have what I'm saying means, don't have a title descriptive on that day only. This have only who have applied a junior assistant or junior storekeeper. They have only for the morning session descriptive 1, and the afternoon session descriptive 2. For the afternoon session descriptive 2. So coming to here the descriptive 2 for the someone is written, both level and level 2 will be held on same day. Yeah, that's why I'm telling to. And for the first, for the 50 marks for the who has applied general and the EWS candidates for the yeah, yes, last time is 50 for the tier 1, and now they are given to 50%. Yeah, going to the title descriptive, shared about group. Here actually, guys, I will tell you descriptive for the, they are divided into 50 marks. Yes, it's purely about right. They are divided into 50 marks for the it's a grammar part only, and remaining 50 marks they are given like essay writing, and passage writing, essay writing, passage writing, and letter writing, essay, passage, letter writing, and group discussion. Like you and your boss, they are given to some topic, your discussions, what you are discussing. Actually, last time I got coronavirus, COVID-19. So you know about the COVID-19. Your UDC, they are giving, yes, I know about this COVID-19. So what has that taken to precautions for to avoid this, surrounding our office, like this, like that. So 50 marks for the descriptive only, remaining 50 marks grammar part. In grammar part normally like what happens means what they have in tied 1 English descriptive part, objective part, they are given one more substitutions, synonyms, so antonyms, so error corrections, so like that only. And these remaining 50 marks only objectives. So that is the guys, all the best. So it's normally simply don't confuse and don't think like, oh, it's like that. So simply and easily exam, easily crack it. And please do share, subscribe, like channel. As soon as I will provide it to PDF also, please guys. Thank you.